In the machine learning team, we're working on a machine learning pipeline for anomaly detection. I'm working on a function to estimate the range of a model, meaning how far a model can detect a certain entity as a human, for example. We improved our last model because the quality of a positive prediction increased by 10%. Meaning that it's a lot better for clients to use it because they'll get a lot less false alarms. Working here as an intern was the best experience I could ask for an internship because it's well organized and the tasks that you have to do are clear and well stated. But it's also a startup, so things are moving very quickly and you really feel like you're part of the team and you have to give results. And I mean, for example, our second week as interns with Raphael, they sent us to do a demo in France in front of clients. So I really felt like we interns are really trusted. And I feel like the more you are trusted, then the more you like your job. And so the better you perform. And so it's beneficial for everyone.